Hi everyone, welcome on board. Today I'm giving you guys a very big update and a great news for all the students who are just done with their 12th and struggling what to go next. So I'm indoor, results are out. So IP MAT, which was like one of the most awaited exam after 12th to be given for the 5 years integrated program. The results have been out and declared on the website. I have put the direct link on the description as well. Also, you can check it out and you can go and check your results. So what you will see is you go to the IIM Indore website. In the various academic programs, they have the section of the 5 year integrated program. Here you will see they have the provisional shortlist for personal interview for the 2021-26 batch. This is where you will have to enter your application details, registered email ID, or your date of birth. Just in case if you forgot which email ID you had given at the time of registration, you can enter your date of birth, which was mentioned in the application form, and then you will get the status. Now, an interesting fact out here is that when you will get the status, you will get two updates. One, you are shortlisted for the interviews. Second, you will see your entire scorecard where it is mentioned that you are not shortlisted. Okay, so this is very intriguing and very interesting that the scores are provided for the ones who are not shortlisted. For the ones who are shortlisted, the scores are not given. Okay, so if you see shortlisted, then be happy and glad that you are shortlisted. Your interview dates will soon be out. Okay, now let's look at for all the people who are planning to give it for the next year, or for the ones who are still wondering ki, yeah, why did I not get shortlisted, or where is it that I lacked and what happened. So yours is a quick summary of what is the cutoff this year. Basis what we can see from the scorecards, the cutoffs are category wise. Okay, the overall cutoff is not yet out. Okay, so we cannot be 100% sure, but more or less you can say the total will be higher than this for sure, right? So for all the categories, the cutoff this year is general. In the quants short answer section, it's 16. In the quants MCQ, it's 21. Verbal, it's 70. Verbal cutoffs are always high. Trust me, it's the most scoring area for you guys. So targets to maximize your scores in verbal. Okay, overall 107 plus is what it's expected. Then if I look at the NC OBC category, short answer it's 8, MCQ 9, verbal 44, overall a 61 plus. SC and ST candidates, the cutoffs are pretty low. So for SC it's 4, 4 and 31, that's an overall 39 plus, right? And for ST it is 4, 1, 25, which is we are looking at a 30 plus score. EWS categories, the cutoffs are higher. Probably it may be because of the number of candidates through EWC based on the number of seats. So we can, analyze this further down the line and compare as well. Also at the end of it, finally, how many EWS applicants were there. So you will see EWS, the quants essay section was 8, MCQs 11, verbal 51, overall a 70 plus. Okay. PWD students, again, it's like 4 to 25 and a 31 plus. So now looking at this for all the general category students, you can see that the overall cutoff will be like 107 plus or maybe 110 or so. But your individual sectional cutoffs are 16, 21 and 70. Okay. So this is now you have an update, you have an idea about your cutoffs. So now what next? If you have seen that you are shortlisted, okay, you will not get your scores. I'm repeating that once again. A lot of people were baffled about it कि मेरा scores नहीं दिख रहा है, but I can see it is shortlisted. It's not a glitch. That is how they have done it this year. If you are not selected, your scores are shown to you. If you are selected, your scores are not shown. Okay. The ones who are not selected, don't be disheartened. You have a lot of other opportunities. You may have given your IM Rohtak, Ranchi, you have the opportunities to go there. You can also look at if you have given NPAT. If not, you can apply for the DUJAT programs and all the others. BBA colleges, there are quite a few available there. Get into your graduations and gear up for CAT because your IP MAT and CAT is pretty much similar. So you are, on the right track of getting yourselves acquainted with the competitive atmosphere, right? So this is about the cutoffs. Now, what next we have to do? Firstly, Last year I am Indore did not conduct physical or online interviews. They had a video interview which was to be submitted. So let's be ready for this year as well. We may have a video interview, or we may have an online interview, or a physical interview on campus. So we need to be ready for all the three things, right? If it's a video interview, then you will have to take a short video recording of yourself which talks about, tell me something about yourself, achievements, and why I am Indore for sure. Okay. Next, it talks about, if you're looking at an online interview, then focus on your internet connectivity, your audio settings, your proper lighting behind the, where you're going to give your interview from. It would be a Zoom or a Google Meet, and make sure you're formally dressed. All right. If we are having physical interviews, then you have to make sure you're going there, right? Now, what should you be start preparing with? Don't wait for the interview dates to come out. Jo hai, jaisa bhi hai, let's start preparing, right? So first thing you have to do is prepare hygiene interview questions. What are these hygiene interview questions? I will just talk about it in a minute. You just stay tuned. I hope all of you guys are taking notes, right? Moving next, what are things you must be reading right now? So you can have questions which are based on current affairs. So please try and know what's happening in the country, what's happening in the world business. What are the recent most mergers happening? Like for example, even the latest news for which was there, like Sheen is back on Amazon. It's a big news because Sheen was one of those apps which was banned because of COVID, because of it being Chinese, right? So know what's happening in India and what's happening overall the world as well also in the current situation. Read about it. If you can't read a lot, sit with people who are reading. Download some easy apps which can help you to have a summary of the news and get an awareness about it. Okay. Last, we spoke about the hygiene interview questions. So if I look at the hygiene interview questions, the first and the most important one is, tell me something about yourself. Second, we look at why I am Indore and why the 5 years integrated MBA program. You definitely need to be very sure about this, that I know I want to do an BBA plus an MBA, and I'm very certain about it in my life, right? Then, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? And also further long term goals. Don't think just 5 years, think 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years, because that shows that I have a little line of sight. Where do I want to go and what do I want to do in my life? Last, you can be asked questions based on your profile, which could be based on your academics, your co-curriculars, and your extracurriculars. All right. So these are four broad general sections which you should be focusing on for your personal interview preparation. Okay. In case you guys have got shortlisted, please drop in the comment your, idea about your profile. People who have not got shortlisted, feel free to drop in your scores. Let's get a fair idea where could have you guys lacked and how can you improvise further ahead. And for the ones who want to get ready for the mock interviews and crack your dream college, which is I am Indore, you all can sign up for our I am what PI course as well. Also, the link is provided in the descriptions. And me and a couple of I am Indore integrated program alumni will be taking care of your mock interviews and preparations. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel for more upcoming videos with respect to your interview process once it has been finally announced. All right, all the best.